Good morning. For a long time, neither Infosys nor IIP numbers have been able to positively influence the markets. The results will be closely watched to get a view on the sector outlook too. The seasonally weak quarter for the tech sector is not really expected to spring up pleasant surprises. The Indian market is expected to open flat to or negative as investors remain cautious. The bias had turned negative on Thursday as the Nifty struggled to sustain above the psychological barrier of 6,000 despite a higher opening. This led to formation of lower tops and lower bottom with unwinding pressure visible in sectors like IT and real estate. Asian stocks are doing well after Japan announced $117 billion fiscal stimulus package, taking the total stimulus funds to over $226 billion so far. US stocks ended just about well, but the highlight was the S&P 500 hitting a 5-year closing high. The SEBI has cautioned investors not to be misled by phone calls by a person offering investment advice posing as a SEBI official. The RBI has proposed tweaking norms for capital adequacy with regard to their exposure in derivative instruments. The rupee continued to appreciate. Bajaj Auto Limited could see action as the company plans to export its 100cc motorcycle Discover 100T to boost exports. GAIL India Limited could see some gains after a consortium led by it backed an oil and gas exploration block each. Also, the company plans to raise capacity at its double LNG terminal. Scooters India could see some profit booking after Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises Minister Praful Patel said that the cabinet has deferred a proposal for the revival of Scooters India. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 2.49 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 4.33 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 9.58 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying Bank of Baroda January futures above Rs 895 for the target price of Rs 925 and stop loss placed at Rs 880. We advise buying Rallis India above Rs 152 for the target price of Rs 160 and stop loss placed at Rs 148. Our derivative strategy for the day is long JSW Steel January 880 call option above Rs 13 for the target price of Rs 27 and stop loss placed at Rs 6. Thank you. Wish you have a great day.